Hello everyone, in this video I will explain 25 robotics related words with their meanings and simple examples. 1. Autonomous, operating independently without human intervention. Example: an autonomous drone mapping an area without a pilot's control. 2. Algorithm, a set of instructions or rules followed by a robot to perform tasks. Example: a robot vacuum cleaner uses an algorithm to navigate and clean a room. 3. Feedback, information returned to a system to regulate or adjust its behavior. Example: a robot adjusting its movement based on feedback from its sensors. 4. Calibration, setting or adjusting a robot's sensors or actuators to ensure accuracy. Example: calibrating a robotic arm to pick up objects with precision. 5. Payload, the maximum weight a robot can carry or handle. Example: a warehouse robot designed to lift payloads of up to 100 kilograms. 6. Gripper, a mechanical device on a robot that holds or manipulates objects. Example: a robotic gripper picking up and placing items on a conveyor belt. 7. End effector, the tool or device attached to a robot's arm for specific tasks. Example: a welding robot's end effector joining pieces of metal together. 8. Collision detection, sensors that help robots detect and avoid obstacles or collisions. Example: a robot stopping when it senses an obstacle in its path. 9. Machine vision, a system that allows robots to interpret and process visual information. Example: robots identifying defects on a production line using machine vision. 10. Localization, determining a robot's position within an environment. Example: a self-driving car using GPS and sensors to know its exact location. 11. Path planning, calculating a safe and efficient route for a robot to reach a target. Example: a robot plotting a path to navigate through a maze. 12. Manipulator, the robotic arm or mechanism responsible for movement and control. Example: a medical robot's manipulator performing delicate surgery. 13. Haptic feedback, providing tactile sensations to users or robots through touch. Example: a remote-controlled robot giving the operator a sense of touch feedback. 14. Synchronization, coordination of movements or actions between multiple robots. Example: robots working together to assemble complex products. 15. Simulator, software or hardware that replicates real-world conditions for testing robots. Example: using a simulator to train a drone pilot without risking a real crash. 16. Telerobotics, controlling robots from a remote location. Example: operating a robot to explore hazardous environments, like underwater areas. 17. Redundancy, adding extra components to a robot's design to ensure reliability. Example: a robot arm with redundant sensors to avoid malfunction. 18. Obstacle avoidance, techniques used by robots to navigate around obstacles. Example: a robot dog changing its path to avoid bumping into furniture. 19. Semi-autonomous, a robot that can perform tasks with some human intervention. Example: a semi-autonomous drone needing human control for takeoff and landing. 20. Dexterity, a robot's ability to perform fine and complex tasks with precision. Example: a robot with high dexterity assembling delicate electronic components. 21. Sensory fusion, integrating data from various sensors to create a comprehensive picture. Example: combining data from cameras and lidar to create a detailed environment map. 22. Machine learning, teaching robots to improve their performance through experience. Example: a robot learning to recognize different objects after being shown examples. 23. Robotics ethics, ethical considerations related to the design and use of robots. Example: discussing the ethical implications of using autonomous weapons. 24. Human-robot collaboration, humans and robots working together on tasks. Example: a factory worker and a robot assembling products side by side. 25. Exoskeleton, a wearable robotic device that enhances a person's strength or mobility. Example: an exoskeleton assisting a person with walking after a spinal injury. Thanks for watching, happy learning. Sunwheel Academy. Content is prepared by Chakra. Please like, share and subscribe.